We are here before the show at the Theater Nova with Love from Inside.
I wasn't the same person I was before I had to build a home for myself.
We performed today at the Neutral Zone in Ann Arbor, which is an amazing space that does all kinds of different programming, much of it artistic, with youth.
I'm Amy Johnson. I'm the director of Matrix Theater. I'm grateful and thrilled that we were able to bring Drop Keys, Love Letters from Within to our space today.
Well, you're here at Fox Run. My name is Missy Dixon. I'm the community resource manager here, and we are just completely honored to be able to have the Prisoner Creative Arts program here.
We are in historic Detroit at the historic Detroit Public Theater.
With Love from Inside is almost 2 years in the making, with students like me going into workshops, going into prison, doing workshops with people inside. And we decided that we needed to tell their stories. So we developed a play. We created it about a year ago. It's been in a year of development. It's had many different versions, and now we get to perform it at the Detroit Public Theater, and it has been a fantastic experience. With Love from Inside tells the stories of the people inside and the stories that they want to tell audiences outside. One of the biggest things that I am so passionate about is having people on the outside realize what it's like inside prisons. The people that I've met in there are the most loving, heartwarming people I've ever met. And if there's one thing I can do, I want to share that experience with our audiences and with you watching this video right now.
We got to perform for high school students and actively incarcerated youth too, which was just really cool. I mean, that was probably the performance I was most nervous for that reason.
Yeah.
Like portraying something accurately to people who were experiencing
wanting to get it right, quote unquote.
But it was really, I hope they liked it. It was really good to be able to do that for them.
This was one of the most transformational hour and 15 minutes I've ever had in my life. I think it's so important to share stories and for people to be heard, and I think that's what happened today.
My name is Nora Krenitsky, and I am the director of the Prison Creative Arts Project. And it was such a pleasure to get to see this newly developed production. I've seen previous performances, and the depth of storytelling and emotion in today's performance was just unparalleled.
I really like the mix of letters that are genuinely from people inside and how they twist and make it a performance, but also have real life themes of social inequities that happen in prison. It's really, really eye-opening, but also entertaining.
It was fantastic. It was such a beautiful, creative production, as well as, of course, taking us inside the prison, things that people would never really understand.